Suzanne popped in today for her follow-up session. I'm often asked by patients how many sessions would I need for the treatment of sciatica. There is no exact number. Some people feel significantly better after the first session, while others require multiple. Suzanne had less leg pain after her first session, but no change in her back pain. Generally, I do between 5 and 6 sessions over a 2 to 3 week period. In today's session, we continue to work on her lower back and the affected nerves in her leg.
Oh, that feels very good, actually.
We just did the stimulation. Let's check the muscle push up for me. Push, 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 push. Harder, harder, harder. How does that feel compared to before?
Good.